नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, Samajis, Satsangis, Sri Mahans, Mahans, Tanidars, Kotaris, sitting with us all over the world through Nityananda TV, Lotus TV, Sadhana TV, and two-way video conferencing, having Naina Diksha, cities sitting with us, having Naina Diksha, High Point, North Carolina, Charlotte, Srisailam, Houston, Kalahasti, Singapore, Singapuram, Dubai, Vaidyanatham, Salem, Dhyanapītam, Ohio, Prayag, Seattle, Chidambaram, Kulim, Diruttani, Los Angeles, Arunachalam, Oklahoma, Somanatham, Nityananda University, Paris, Thiruvannamalai, Nityananda Nagaram, Colombo, Sri Lanka, Oman, Sivagangai, Nityananda Nagaramu, Hyderabad, Surrey, Canada, Hyderabad, Guptakashi, Phoenix, Kanchipuram, San Jose, Madurai, Kuala Lumpur, Palani, Toronto, Kailasam, Jorpati, Nepal, Hong Kong, Sirgari, Los Angeles, Hollywood, Pujananda, Varanasi, Amersfoort, Netherlands, Colorado Springs, USA, Oman, Sivagangai, Guadalupe, Rameshwaram, Dubai, Vaidyanatham. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. Today, the first day of Navaratri, Mahalaya Amavasya, Devi is gracing us with Lakshmi and Saraswati in the form of Manonmani. As a Bala Tripura Sundari, Manonmani, she is gracing all of us today with a Kamandalu and Akshamala. Mahalaya Amavasya, the day we complete with the whole past, even the people who are no more in the body. Today completion is taken to the next level, even for with your parents, grandparents, forefathers who are not anymore alive in the body. Even with them we do completion. All the Pitrus are allowed to come to planet Earth and receive the offerings we give and bless all of us and go back. This Mahalaya is the day all the Pitrus are allowed to come to planet Earth, receive your Pinda and Shraddha offerings and bless you all, bless everyone and go back. There are a lot of stories about the Mahalaya Amavasya. When Karna died and went to heaven, all the charity he has done during his lifetime, everything was showered on him back. But everything was only gold, silver, land, because he forgot to do Annadana while he was in the body. He has done all dana, but not Annadana. So he got everything other than food and water. Then Dharmadeva, he says, because you are a great Dharmi, Karna, I give you one chance. Then Karna comes back on Mahalaya Vaksha on the same day, Mahalaya Amavasya, and 14 days he stays in the planet Earth and does Annadana, gives food to whoever comes. He accumulates the punya of Annadana, giving food and water, then goes back. When he goes back, he also gets the food and water there. I don't know the source of the story, whether it is in Vyasa's Mahabharata or any other Bharata, because we have around 2000 versions of Mahabharata and almost 1 million versions of Ramayana. I don't know the source of the story, but the story itself has its own strength. The story itself is a source of inspiration. When the story is a source of inspiration, you don't need to find the source of the story. The story is enough because it's a source of inspiration. So on this Mahalaya Amavasya, we do Annadana, give food to all the needy and everyone, feed the Brahmanas, feed the sannyasis, feed the masters. And this whole 15 days, whatever Annadana you do, that punya stays with you, especially after you leave the body. All right. Especially today is completion with all the people who left the body. So in Thiruvannamalai, today we are doing the installation and main abhishekam of my father's pre-monastic father and his mother, my father and grandmother's samadhi in Thiruvannamalai. We have built a beautiful stone samadhi in stone for both of them, with a Shivalinga installed on their samadhis. Today it is getting, the abhishekam is happening, the first puja is getting done. And from today, we will be celebrating 2 Brahmotsavams. One Navaratri Brahmotsavam, Navaratri Utsava, and Venkateshwara Brahmotsava. Both Utsavas are starting. So the time of celebration from today, the festival season is starting. Venkateshwara, and his Brahmotsava. Let me expand on the completion with the forefathers. Understand whatever our elders have contributed to us continues to stay within us. Its effect continues to prevail in us. Any Shraddha, any Darpana, any offering given to our forefathers actually heals that part in which remains in us, which we retain in our system. That part is healed, completed by giving Shraddha to our forefathers and ancestors. We are not actually one body where only one person is a owner. We are actually like this Navaratri Golu only. So many people are sitting. Today in the ashram there is Navaratri Golu, where all different deities, gods, incarnations, masters, everyone is present. We are also like that only. All our forefathers are present in us at some level, little or more. They are all present in us. Completing with all of them is very important. Completion with all of them is a basic requirement, where complete completion with elders, ancestors, forefathers leads to a peaceful being and restful awareness. Kind of a overpowering restful awareness. Please understand. You all will understand overpowering restlessness. Where how much ever you try to be peaceful, you are restless. If you complete with your ancestors and forefathers, overpowering restful awareness will happen in you, a peacefulness. That's a very powerful life. This overpowering restful awareness is such beautiful space, such a sweet space, such a nice space. In that overpowering restful awareness only the celebration starts. That is why first Amavasya day we do completion and achieve that overpowering restful awareness. Then Chandi, Mahadevi, Maha energy happens to bless us all, and the whole celebration starts with Venkateshwara and Devi. Navaratri is one of the biggest festival in Hindu tradition, and it starts with completion with the forefathers. From today, all our temples and ashrams also will be celebrating the Navaratri Utsava. As basically, we have many Shakta temples. The tradition says even the great incarnations like Rama, Krishna and all did Shraddha, offering of Pindadarpana and Shraddha, rituals for the ancestors. Rama did for Dasaratha and Jatayu both. And all the even incarnations did all these rituals. In Tiruvannamali, Mahadeva himself does for one of his disciple, devotee. That's very strange. Vallala Maharaja, the king from Karnataka, who built the main part of the temple as Mahadeva, the boon of a child. Mahadeva appears as a child and says, as per the karma, you can't have the kid forever. You can only enjoy my presence as a child for some time. Then the father, the Vallala asks, I wanted a child to do only my last rites. Mahadeva commits with him, saying that I myself will do your last rites forever. And still now, every year the Masi month, Maha Nakshatra, Mahadeva goes ritualistically and does the Shraddha and Pindadarpana for Vallala Maharaja. So completion with forefathers, ancestors, parents, grandparents is that important in Hindu tradition. Today we will also be having Maheshwara Puja. In the ashram, many devotees are offering food to all our sannyasis. And all our sannyasis all over the world will join the Maheshwara Puja in the morning. And then today we have Dvajarohanam, Brahmotsava Dvajarohanam. I also request all the temples, ashrams, centers to do Annadana for next 15 days. Already we do next 15 days specially as part of the celebration. And all the temples celebrate Navaratri. All of you have Devi deity. So now celebrate Navaratri. Let us awaken the Devi in all of us, Venkateshwara in all of us, by completing with all our ancestors, the ashram we will be having. Every day the different forms of Devi will be decorated. Devi will be appearing in different forms and blessing all of us. And the Chandi Homa will be happening. Durga Puja will be happening as usual. All the festivities will be happening. I wanted to complete with you all the Dvajarohanam for Venkateshwara Brahmotsavam will be happening after, I think, 26th. Not today. I thought today, it is not today. As it is being celebrated in Tirupati, we will be celebrating. Let's get ready to celebrate Devi's presence. Traditionally, it is believed Devi visits the plains. From Himalayas she comes down. From Kailasa she comes down and visits all the devotees' houses, blesses everyone, accepts their puja. So all over India, Hindus celebrate Navaratri, and now all over the world, Hindus celebrate Navaratri. We will have many cultural programs every day in Biddi. Be tuned to Nityananda TV to celebrate Navaratri. With this, let's get ready for Maheshwara Puja. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org, www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.